Is it time to ditch Mullen Automotive? Hi again, everyone. I hope you're all doing really well. It's been a little while since I did my last video update. I've been just too busy. I really do try to get here more regularly than I am, but hasn't worked out that way. Now it's kind of probably an interesting point to come back into Mullen Automotive and talk about the stock again. I've been holding the stock. I've bought it twice in 2 lots this year, and it's just been eviscerated through 2 reverse stock splits and continued ebbing of shareholder value. Basically, the stock price keeps on dipping. And now last week there comes out that there's going to be a vote on another potential reverse stock split for the company, and this is just left a real sour taste in my mouth. You know, I've kind of sort of think that Mullen Automotive, I've said this all year, that I think Mullen Automotive, what they offer is good. They are, you know, kind of going to have a bit of a unique niche in the market. It's not a heavily competitive space that they're in that commercial EV area. And they have like sales in the pipeline, and, you know, people are endorsing their products, but it's not transferring to shareholder value. Granted, a lot of other EV companies have been struggling. So a company like Mullen, which is early in its, you know, production cycle, is, you know, perhaps more susceptible to the market movements, but it's been a real painful stock to hold on to this year. And, you know, most people would agree with that sentiment, unless you're obviously shorting the stock, which gets stuffed. No, you can do what you like. Everyone's got to make money somehow. Anyway, yeah, like I've kind of, this whole year, I've sort of earmarked 3 small tranches of money to put into Mullen Automotive. I've never put a lot of money into this. And, you know, the money I have put in just continues to get eviscerated. And I've been holding off putting this third amount in, and I really think I'm just going to cut my losses with this, to be honest. I hate to say it, but I think I'm just going to hold on to what I have in Mullen Automotive and not put any more money in the stock. I know the dollar cost averaging principles should be, yeah, you should be buying more as we go down, but you know, it's just been a painful stock to hold, and I think it's going to be one I'm going to chalk up this year as, you know, probably a bit of a loss. You know, I really do hope the company can turn things around and, you know, restore some value in shareholders' positions. I've done a bit of trading over time, and my position, you know, isn't as bad as it should be on paper, but I know there are people who are way more severely down than I am. You know, the stock's lost 99.99999% of its value since it went public, so it's, you know, sucks. Anyway, I just thought I'd come back in, give my 2 cents. This reverse stock split is like kind of a bit of a nail in the coffin for me. The fact that we're looking at possibly doing 3 within the space of a year is a joke. I really thought that when they did the second one, what they should have done is gone really heavy and just blown out like any sort of shorting action. If they had done a, you know, 1-for-100 reverse stock split when they did the second one, we wouldn't be in this position right now where they're struggling to get Nasdaq re-compliance. You know, this is, you know, I'm not a CEO. You know, obviously there's people more experienced to make these decisions than me, but, you know, that's kind of what the company needed to do. And I think they didn't do it. They missed the opportunity, and now they've just continued to drag the stock throughout the course of the year. So, you know, I've kind of lost my my faith, I suppose you could say. Anyway, I'd love to hear what you guys all think about Mullen Automotive. Share it in the comments below. Anyone who follows my videos could probably recognize that my studio has changed. I've in the time since I did my last video, I've actually got a new car. This is a placeholder. I've gone semi-electric because I've got a hybrid now. But anyway, yeah, hopefully our fully electric company Mullen can turn things around for us. Until next time, everyone, may the markets trade in your favor. Cheers.